First trip of 2022, baby.
Finally. Alright guys, we finally made it to our room. It's a quick little room tour. Finally arrived. A nice big bed. Oh my god. Break it now. Perfect. Bathroom over there. Big TV, which we won't really use. And the best part, my favorite part, our little swim up pool. Carl's already warming up for the party tonight. Is it warm enough for you? No?
A little warmer, but
The water's never warm enough for Carl, I swear. Never, ever, ever. That's what happens when you're...
We'll make it work.
Good morning. We're gonna do a little stretching session on the beach this morning. Alright guys, we're back from our stretching session and breakfast, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of work before we head out for the day. In general, going on vacation while running your own business is definitely tricky in terms of managing, like trying to relax and also knowing that you have to stay on top of things a little bit. And this is our first vacation in a long time since, you know, COVID and everything's been going on. So I'm trying my best to just chill. I actually put an out of office on my email for the first time ever since starting the business in 4 years. So it's kind of crazy, but I was like, you know what? I deserve like 3 days off. We have nice 4 days, which is actually kind of long, which is crazy to think about. So I'm gonna try to enjoy it. Okay guys, Carl's just finishing up work. It's around 1 right now, so I'm really ready to go to the beach. But look how cute this little fit is with our new Mersi Spring Summer 2022. This bucket bag, I don't know the name for it yet, but it's coming soon. It's actually starting to ship. I think we'll have it next month. Maybe by the time you're watching it, we have it, but I'm so obsessed with it. It is obviously our vegan leather. Look how detailed it is, like the woven design is amazing, all handmade as always. And then inside it has a pouch that's actually connected here by the hardware, so it stays in place. It doesn't like fall down, you know. And I have this swimsuit from Pretty Little Thing and my cute little slippers. They're actually from Walmart. They're like $10. Carl found them, but they're so comfy. So yeah, I'm so ready. Let's go get some sun.
Evelina doesn't ever want me to touch the camera, but guess what? I'm taking over.
That's not true.
Alright, so I told her I was gonna do 30 minutes of work. That turned into almost 2 hours, but things gotta get done. But there's still a lot of sunshine, there's still a lot of, you know, good vibes.
Tan, okay?
Yeah.
Hours to work on this tan.
She's gotta work on this tan. I got a lifetime tan, so I'm all good. Give you a little 360 view situation. Gonna head to the beach and relax. We're going into the water. Really nice. I don't play with water. It's probably cold. Oh my God, it's cold. It's cold. I don't know if I can make it. Epcha. Okay, it's too cold. 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 All right. You gotta have to see her do it. So I'm over here, chilling, having a good time. You know, they say that you could be a YouTube star, and I'm gonna try this thing out, you know? It's time for me to get famous. It's time for me to show my personality, you know? Hace frío, hace frío, ha!
Oh my God, that is so not my vibe, but Carl loves it.
I fake love it. I'm too old for this.
I can't believe it. That is so too much.
I'm going to bed.
We were just at the beach chilling and there was nobody there, and then we walked into that. It's kind of a lot, but we're just having fun, you know? Why not? Okay guys, we're back at the hotel room. That party was completely insane. I wanted no part in that. I was just chilling at the beach, reading my book, minding my business. I tried to find peace and quiet on vacation. The hotel is very crowded, which is not my vibe. And I'm really surprised because it's still kind of COVID. And I feel like the last time we traveled, which was last year during COVID, it was so empty. And I was kind of expecting that same scenario, but it's definitely not the same. It's like full on spring break, people going crazy, drinking. So different vibe, but you know what? I'm gonna make the best out of it. This is a great location, a summer bag. Let me see if I can make something work. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit while Carl is relaxing by the pool. And we're ready for dinner. We're going to a restaurant, one of the restaurants at the resort today that had vegan options. There wasn't too many, so we picked one that did. I think it's like Peruvian food, which I'm excited to try. Here's Carl, he's ready to go. And let me show you what bag I'm bringing. I brought the Chelsea with me to travel because I always do, and I'm just wearing it as a clutch today. It's kind of matching the dress, so I love that, and it's convenient.
What about my fit, guys? What do you think? I'm missing my little satchel, my little purse, my little man purse. It's coming soon. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, actually, the Mersi men's has to come out soon. It has to. You gotta be responsible for that.
Yeah, don't worry. I got a few ideas in mind.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Comment what designs you want to see from Carl. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna go enjoy dinner, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
We lit, baby, DR. We going crazy. We just came back from dinner. What's gonna happen next? We probably going to sleep.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2. I had a very relaxing, peaceful morning. Today I swam a little bit. I did my stretching and my meditation. We're probably gonna go to the gym at some point, and then we have a massage booked later in the day. So should be fun, and we'll take you along. Hello, checking in. We've been chilling by the pool most of the morning. I already finished my beach read for the trip, which was this one. I really liked it. I've actually read it before. I typically like to reread books on vacation, which Carl thinks is so stupid.
I don't get that concept.
But I love rereading my books, and I did already. So now I'm like,
she's reread so many books. I just don't understand what the thrill is.
I just have books that I love to reread. It's like so comforting. I don't know.
You already know what's gonna happen.
But it's like nonfiction books. It's not like a story to it. You know what I mean? It's just learning lessons. What's your beach read?
To all my New Yorkers out there, I'm reading this book called Blood in the Garden. It's about the 90s Knicks. I'm a big Knicks fan. Unfortunately, we've gone through so much misery, but this book chronicles like the good times in the Knicks history. So yeah, just going through that right now.
Fun fact, anytime we have to find a place at the beach or by the pool, we need to be super specific because of our distinctive needs.
Yeah.
I always want to be in the sun, and Carl needs to be in the shade, so we need to find a half sun, half shaded place. Yeah. So we took like 10 laps around the pool today to find the perfect spot, but we have some shade and then we have some sun on those, which I've been laying out on, and I feel like I got a pretty good tan today, so I'm quite happy with that. And Carl got his shade, so that's that. We're gonna go to lunch right now, and then we have our massage later in a little bit, so should be a nice enjoyable day, and we'll check in later. So we were walking back from dinner, and of course there was a DJ going crazy, so Carl had to stop and start dancing, and you know how he does. And then he made friends with someone from entertainment who told him there was a fire show happening, so we had to stay to check out the fire show, which we'll place in here for you guys. It was a little bit intense, pretty fun, and now I'm so ready for bed. I'm like beat after the whole day in the sun, so we're probably gonna watch some Netflix and
chill.
Yes, and go to sleep. And last day tomorrow, so exciting. I gotta work on that tan a little bit more. See you guys.
She's
Good
getting
night.
red. She's getting red. She's complaining, but I think it's a nice, nice golden brown that's coming in here.
Yeah, it'll be brown tomorrow.
Yeah,
It's
we'll
all good.
see.
It's all good. Good night.
Just having a good time out here. Random parade just coming down our block.
Alright guys, we're done with our pool time and we're gonna go to the gym. I'm about to get dressed, but before I do that, I'm feeling super dried out after the sun. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I bring with me on trips to stay hydrated. Number one is the Olaplex oil. I'm gonna put that in my hair right now. It not only hydrates, but it also protects it from the heat. So typically after I come out of the water, I'll just apply a little bit onto my hair so that this seals the moisture and it protects it from when I keep going in and out of the water and my hair is getting burnt in the sun. And then for my face, the one that I really love is our Celestine serum from Earth Harbor that we carry in the vegan warehouse. That is the bestseller. And this one absorbs super quickly. That's why I love it. And it's not oily. I hate feeling oily on trips. And it's just like so cooling. It feels really good, especially when my skin is like a little bit sunburnt. It just has a really nice cooling and hydrating effect, and it's gonna absorb super quickly so I can go to the gym. All right, I'm ready to go. I have my Gymshark set. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Carl's coming, so let's get this workout in. Alright guys, that concludes the trip and the vlog. We're on the little golf cart to go to the main gate to head to the airport. Hope you guys enjoyed this little trip. I know I did. It was so relaxing and a much needed rest. And thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe because we're back on putting out new videos every single Friday. And thanks for hanging out. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.